Hello friends, question is what is calibration in UT and the basic step to perform the ultrasonic testing. We have to know about the calibration in the UT. First of all, calibration is the process of configuring an instrument to provide a result for a sample. For accurate result for a sample and eliminating and minimizing the factor that can cause the inaccurate result. So calibration is very important. Now in UT, the IIW V1 and IIW V2 block that is a standard block. Indian Institute of Welding B1 block is used to configure or is basically used to calibrate the instrument and flaw detector, also the probe. IIW V1 basically used to calibrate the normal probes and dual probes. Once we start the machine, we have to check the machine is working properly or not. When we start the inspection, machine have to do perform well and and give the better result. Calibration is very important in UT, and IIW V2 block is basically used to calibrate the angle beam and also known as the shear beam. Thank you. Basic steps to perform the ultrasonic testing. First of all, we have to calibrate the flow detector machine and the probes that is being used. It can be a normal probe or dual probe or shear or beam probe. Now the second one is, first of all, the second one, we have to take a material that is being tested. On the material we have to apply the coplant. Coplant is basically nothing but material, nothing but oil or grease or water is being used on the material. um, it enhance the or eliminate the air gap between the probes and the material. Now the high frequency sound wave is transmitted into the material to detect the internal flaws. A transducer is used a transducer is used, basically it convert electrical energy to the mechanical energy or sound wave. It can emit the sound wave, and it can also receive when the sound wave is reflected back. Now the ultrasonic sound wave is transmitted into the material by the reflection or refraction method. We use angle probe or dual probe or normal probe. Now the some of the sound wave is being reflected back from the defect or the flaws, and other wave are propagating on the same manner. Now the reflected waves are received by the transducer. The time taken by the by the wave uh, to the transducer, it gives the information about the defect or the flaws, having the depth of having the depth and the um, uh, having the depth and the internal flow of the material. Echo is now received by the transducer and it processed and it display on the on the flow detector. Now the experienced technician detects and identify the defect and internal flaw and depth of the internal flaw and the nature of the internal flaw. Thank you.